In today's video, I'm going to teach you Google Keep and Google Docs together, how to connect notes. 5 minutes. If you've ever saved a great idea in Google Keep and then found yourself retyping it into a document, this walkthrough will save you time. We're going to pull your Keep notes straight into a Google Doc so you can draft faster, organize better, and keep everything in one place. Start by opening a Google Doc in your browser. Any document works, whether it's a fresh page or something you're already working on. Make sure you're signed into the same Google account where your Keep Notes live so they're available to you in the sidebar. On the right side of your document, look for the side panel. You'll see a small light bulb icon that's Google Keep. Click it to open your notes in a handy sidebar. If you don't see the panel, click the little arrow at the bottom right of your doc to expand it. The Keep panel will show your recent notes, and you can scroll or use the search box to find exactly what you need. When you spot the note you want, the quickest way to bring it into your document is to drag it right from the sidebar into the page. Click and hold the note, then drop it where you want. The content appears immediately, and any basic formatting like line breaks or images generally comes through. This is perfect for moving ideas, outlines, or quotes without copying and pasting. If you prefer precise placement, hover over the note in the sidebar, click the three dots, and choose Add to Document. This pastes the note at your current cursor position, which is great when you want to insert content into the middle of a paragraph or a specific section without dragging. Keep checklists will come in as bulleted lists in Docs. If you want checkboxes again, highlight the list and click the checklist button in the toolbar to convert it back. You can then check items off as you work. Just remember, once a note is added to your doc, it's a copy. Changes in the document won't update the original Keep note. A few quick tips as you go. Use search in the Keep sidebar to find notes by keyword, pin important notes in Keep so they're easy to spot, and consider renaming notes with clear titles so they're easier to drag into the right section of your doc. That's it. Simple, fast, and built right into Google Docs. Try it on your next project to turn your notes into polished writing in no time.